Hi there everyone, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Welcome to another day in my 2019 holiday card series. Before I get started, don't forget that Christmas time is here, season bundle. Christmas time is here, sweet. And bundle. I'm offering a class until November 15th, so just a few more days to go on that. So make sure you head over to the coordinating blog post to get all the information. So yeah, so today we are continuing using the paper pumpkin kit from November 2019. Actually, I made a video for Wednesday and I hated the project. So this was initially for Friday and now it's going up on Wednesday and you'll have a different project on Friday. To 3 3/4 by 5. And then I have a 4 by 5 1/4 inch layer, and I'm going to cut a frame out. So this measures 3 3/4 by 5. This is the stitched rectangles from Honeybee. Actually, let me go ahead and do both of them stitched. If I'm going to stitch one, I should just stitch both, right? Okay. We are on the same page. Not Honeybee, Pink and Maine. That's where they're from. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put this down. I need some washi tape. Actually, I'm going to use micro pour tape. Washi tape, micro pour tape, any kind of tape will work. So today we're going to make a shaker card. Shake, shake, shake your booty. Gonna make this shaker card using this kit. Okay, I'm going to run this through my die cutting machine. I'll be right back. So I'm going to cut down one of these cards to 4 by 5 1/4. And I have my window sheet. We're going to start by adhering this frame to this window sheet. I made it a little bit bigger so I could go ahead and adhere it down, okay? So I'm going to bring in a tape runner. So I'm really excited for you guys to see this Christmas time is here class. I did a couple of coloring with markers. A couple of videos we colored with some watercoloring. And then I also showed you how to use the coordinating stamps to color in the images if you don't want to do all that. And then last but not least, I showed you a card using the die cuts. So lots of things for you guys to see with this class, and I'm so excited about it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and trim this out with scissors because I did not cut it. I cut it a little bit bigger so it'd be a little bit easier for me to adhere. So I'm just going to go. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and bring in some more of these birch trees because they're cute. I need to remember to use my cardinals, so I'm going to put those out here too. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to adhere to the front of the frame. We're going to bring in the big die. so that the outside fits it. And then I'm going to make sure these birch trees go over like that. So I'm going to run this through my die cutting machine. Okay, so now this will line up with the frame. So this will be stitched and the frame is stitched, so it lines up just like that. So we're going to go ahead, and add adhesive to the bottom. And then I'm going to do glue dots for the rest. Then we're going to use some foam adhesive strips from Stampin' Up. Now mine, I just cut mine in half. Let me see if I have a flip strip somewhere. Should. Yeah, no, yeah, right there. So this is what they look like, and I did these in a kit once and just cut them in half, so they work just as well. Okay, so this kit came with sequins, and I know I have them. It also came with the stamp set, all sorts of things. So I'm going to go ahead and glue a couple of sequins to the back of our panel here. And I think I'll use the glue dots again for that. I'm just going to do a few, maybe 4 or 5. That way, when the sequins are all at the bottom, there'll still be some at the top. Now, there is a stamp set that you can use, or on the stamp set there is a stamp that you can use that is supposed to be like snowfall. And you could absolutely use that if you wanted to, but I wasn't in the mood to, so I'm not going to. So, and these are the snowflakes. In the sequin pack, there's snowflakes and stars. Use tweezers here, maybe. I think we'll do 3. Okay, and I'm going to bring in my powder tool and a scratch piece of paper. And I'm just going to dump a little bit out. And then I'm going to go around the inside of my frame. And hopefully that will keep the sequins from sticking to the side. Okay. We go ahead and use all of these sequins. Oops. I'm not gonna use them for anything else, I think. I'm gonna bring in some more snowflake sequins. And then finally some seed beads. I don't want it too full, but it's also a full-size shaker, so I don't want it too empty either. I like to put it down like this, so it's easier for me to adhere the frame. That's what we're going to do next. Let me trim this out. I didn't do the best job adhering, but that's okay. Okay, I'm going to cut down a piece of Coastal Cabana to 4 1/4 by 11, and then we're going to score it at 5 1/2 inches. And then I'm going to cut down one of these these cards from this paper pumpkin. We're going to use one of the whites for the inside. Not that one because it's got adhesive all over it. For 5 1/4. Perfect. I'm going to go ahead and fold this over on the square line. Actually, let's use this one. Wishing you peace, love, and laughter in the new year. I likes it. Gonna bring in hot pepper red. And we're gonna stamp this. This is the Everything Festive stamp set, which is one of my favorites. You guys saw me use this a ton at the beginning of the holiday card series. We're like at what, day 30? Day 28, day 29. We're up there, that's for sure. Perfect. Okay, so while I set that aside to dry for just a second, let me go ahead and adhere a couple of these cardinals to the front. What did I do with those glue dots? Oh, hello, glue dots, where'd you go? No idea. So I will just use these glue dots. I have no idea what happened to my other glue dots. I'm sure they're right in front of my face. I just don't see them. How cute is this? Seriously, it's amazingly cute. It's flippin' adorably cute. It's ecstatically amazingly cute. I almost put that on the wrong one. That would have been, whoops. That would have been a little whoopsie daisy. Whoopsie daisy, whoopsie daisy, whoopsie daisy. I was one. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you Friday for another card using the October 2019 Paper Pumpkin Kit. Bye for now.